Hey, welcome to June 1st, and I've moved again. This is my office. It's a mess, I know. But this new house is pretty nice. As you can tell, I do want to give a nice tour of it usually, but it's 2 stories finally. Got a baby's room right there. And I know you guys are tuning in for the hair, not for the house tour. But I decided to do this one in front of this big bright door that leads to a nice deck, so I think I might do it outdoors. And I think this is where I'm going to start recording the videos, just because of the nice natural bright sunlight. And so you can really see what the hair looks like. We got the pool right there. I know it's an above ground, but we wanted to try it out before we go all out into a in-ground pool. That's the neighbors, and they probably don't like me recording theirs. Yeah, this is the deck, and this is the hair. I was looking outdoors, so you're getting some really nice sunlight on the hair. Unintentionally, I've been letting the top grow out. Wasn't when I say unintentionally, it's just I just haven't cut it. Just have not cut it lately. Let's go back inside. I think I don't know if the lighting's better as far as like getting more direct. This is controlled light. But that's what it's looking like, the hair. And it's 2022. It's 9 years is coming up for the first original procedure. And well, now I've made a mess out of it. So I gotta go back to my usual spot, the bathroom, to grab a phone. But yeah, it's been coming up 9 years since the first video. Check out the first video. Let me know what you all think of it, the results. And, I don't know if I'm ever going to do the front of the hairline. I might, maybe one day. But, that is what it's looking like. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, leave your comments, your concerns, and your, anything else you want to write about it. I explain all the details of the hair transplant in my other videos on the channel that you can view on my channel by subscribing. And I'll talk to you later.